So today is just going to be another very quick video. I decided to make this one because I actually found this in an old toolbox just a couple of days ago. Let's open up and see what it is, and then I'll explain. So inside we have a clamp meter and some probes. Now I actually purchased this clamp meter myself in China, probably in around 2009. I used to work in China quite extensively, and I needed a clamp meter one day. So I remember going out purchases. I've actually got a couple that are very similar to this, but this particular one I haven't seen for well over 10 years. So I thought, oh, when I found it, I thought, oh, that's still got batteries in it, I'm sure. So there's no way that that is going to work. And, well, it did in fact turn on, which I was very surprised about. So I thought, well, let's just have a look at the batteries in here, and we'll do this together because I'm really shocked. Okay. So here inside we have some great cell batteries, which are Sunny Extra Heavy Duty. There's an expiry date of, a manufacturing date, hang on for 1 second, is 04/2009, and the expiry date is 05/2011, I believe. Let's just see if I can zoom in on that for 1 second. Okay, I've just popped it under the little cheap microscope, and there it is. So there is the bottom of the battery. I think it's actually 05/2009 to 05/2011. While we're here, I will just measure the voltage of the batteries just out of interest. One 1.559, 1.52, 1.515. So let's just pop the batteries back in this and actually have a quick look at it while we've got it out. So the meter itself is a VC3266. It has a nice clamp meter with a 20 amp range, 200 amp range, 600 volts AC, 600 volts DC, 20 volts DC, continuity beeper, 2K resistance range, and a thermometer range. Not sure what this one is. I think it might be non-contact voltage detection, possibly. Don't have the instruction book. Not entirely sure. With the meter came a thermocouple. It's probably not, says temp B. I don't think it's actually a thermocouple. I think it's probably more of a PT 100. Saying 22. Hold up. Yeah, does kind of work. In addition to that, we've got some regular meter leads. Let's go on to ohms range, short them together, see what we've got. 0.0, that's not very consistent. 0.03. We've also got this clipped ground lead. We'll just quickly test some basic accuracy of this guy. Let's compare it with the Fluke. So to start with, okay, so the Fluke is saying 4.015 for those. VC20. And this guy is saying 3.98. So not marvelously accurate. And I've just got a 10k resistor here. Let's quickly check. Does this go? Oh, it only goes to 2k. Hang on for 1 second. And lastly, we'll just quickly do a couple of diodes. I've got a regular silicone diode and a Schottky diode right here. So let's just try those. We'll just do the forward voltage drop. So the regular silicone diode, we've got 556 Fluke. And 620 Schottky diode. We've got 221 on the Fluke. And 248 on the VC3266C. In conclusion, it was a very cheap meter, which was purchased around 15 years ago. Still 100% functional. Well, to be honest, I haven't tested the AC clamp meter. This is an AC only clamp meter. I haven't tested that, but I'm pretty sure that will work. As far as the other functions go, everything works just fine. Accuracy on the resistance range is pretty good. Diode, not brilliant. Voltage, not brilliant. But, you know, it is what it is. But the actual whole point, what I felt of the video was that although the meter itself is very average, I am very impressed with the batteries inside this guy. They're 13 years past their maximum age, haven't leaked, and still have a very good output voltage. Now, this is obviously a physical on-off switch on this, so there's no standby power consumption. But regardless of that, these batteries are in fact 15 years old and still 100% functional Chinese own brand zinc batteries. I am quite impressed about that.